Video marketing is not just a buzzword, it's a game changer for your business. But what exactly is it and why should you care? Video marketing is the art of using video to promote and market your products or services. It's about storytelling, engaging your audience, and building trust. Now here's why it's a big deal for your business. 1, high engagements. Videos grab attention. People watch and share them more than any other content. 2, it conveys message effectively. You can convey your message quickly and in an engagement way. Boost SEO. Search engines love video content, and improving your online visibility. Builds trust. Seeing is believing. Videos help build trust and credibility to your audience. Connects emotionally. It's a powerful tool to evoke emotions and connect with your viewers. Increase sales. Studies show that videos can lead to a higher conversion rate and sales. So how can you get started with your video marketing journey? Well, first, define your goals and your target audience, and ask yourself, if you had to grab your attention, what message do you want to convey to grab your attention? Quality matters. Invest into good equipment and editing tools. Quality content stands out. Or just simply hire us. Video marketing is not just a trend, it's a necessity. It's about reaching your target audience that connects, engages, and drives results. So, are you ready to take the leap? If so, your video marketing journey starts now.